The first thing you'll want to do when you receive your Atom is to charge it. Take the lightning cable and plug the micro USB-C end into the charging dock. Then, take the USB side of the lightning cable and plug it into the two-prong wall transformer. Then, plug that into the wall. You should see a blue light illuminate when you plug in the charging dock, where it connects to the lightning cable. The blue light indicates there is power flowing into the charging dock. If you look into the charging dock, you will see a hollow section within each of the charging ports. This is where the removal wire will go when the device is inserted into the charging platform. Lower the device into the charging dock with the removal wire going into the hollow section. The device will magnetically click into place and there will be a blinking red light to indicate the unit is charging. The red light will turn into a solid green light when charging is complete. It should take between 4 to 6 hours for the unit to fully charge. Please be sure the device is turned off while charging. To power on your Audien Atom, toggle the power switch to the side labeled On. To power off your Audien Atom, toggle the power switch to the side labeled Off.